Hi everybody, welcome back to Nicely Soiled. This is Valentina and I'm super happy you clicked on this video. In this video we are going to see how to grow litchis from seed. And now that we are around Christmas, it's very easy to find them in the supermarket. If you find them, get a box for sure and eat them. But after you eat them, do not throw the seeds away because you're going to have very cute plants. So let's get started. So the litchi is this one, the fruit. The plant is kind of like green with very long leaves. It's really pretty and it gives these fruits. Inside the fruit you find the seed. The first thing you need to do is simply to peel this fruit. And we're going to do it now. And you find this white kind of white fruit that is very juicy. So after you peel it, you eat the fruit all around. And inside you find this seed here. Make sure you remove all the white part because otherwise it's going to be something that will cause mold. So it's something that you do not want to leave here on the seed. So once you have this seed that is brown, this is a healthy seed, you see. There are some others that are not really healthy and that are not going to produce any, let me see if I can find them, that are most probably not going to produce any plant, and this is something like this, you see, it's not really healthy. Compare it with this one. There are even tinier ones that are even worse, but I'm definitely not going to plant this one because the chances of this sprouting are super low. So better to go with these. Make sure you remove all the white part also from here because that's a great source of mold. The fruit should look like this, you see, no white, absolutely no white. If you want, you should also rinse it. Then what I do with this is last year I put them in a container with moss in this container, but what went wrong was that the plant, when it grew up, it got too used to a super high humidity. So as soon as I opened the lid, then the plant basically dried out in one day, I would say. So now my second attempt is I'm going to put some expanded clay, like this one. This is expanded clay at the bottom. It's a super simple trick. And I do this to have a water storage at the bottom of the glass. Then, yeah, this is enough. Maybe a little bit more. Let's put a bit more. Okay. So I have quite a lot of storage for water because that's going to be a kind of self-watering glass. Not pot, but glass. So more or less up to here. This is moss, like super regular moss. And then in between I can put these seeds. 1, 2. I had some before because I ate some litchis before. Also this one. Let's say a couple more. I know you shouldn't put too many, but I'm running out of space, so that's the only option I have to grow them. Okay, so litchis, and we cover this. This is already humid moss, but don't worry, it's going to be even more humid because we're going to put filtered water up to more or less the end of the clay. By capillarity, both the moss and the clay will bring the water up, but not like at the point where they are like really soaking in water. And in about 1 month I'll update you, so most probably we're going to see some sprouting and maybe some leaves. I'm sure that the method will work because there is no reason why it shouldn't be working, but once the plants are already used to like the room humidity, I'm sure they will be doing much better than those of the last year. Well, now, if you are interested in seeing how these things grow, I will update you in about 1 month, more or less. To know exactly when I upload the video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell button. That way you will receive the notifications on when I upload a new video. I hope you like them, and yeah, thank you for watching. Bye, see you soon.